In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy A37. So start by opening up the Settings app, then scroll and select Advanced Features. From here, look for one-handed mode and select it. Now just tap on the toggle like so to turn it on, and you can choose whether you want to enable it with a gesture or with the button. Now, once you've selected which option you'd prefer to use, all you need to do is simply just perform the gesture or double tap on the button, and you should be able to enter one-handed mode. This will allow you to navigate through your phone screen in a small window compared to the full-sized screen you would normally get. Bear in mind, this is not optimized for all apps. So for example, say you wanted to play Genshin Impact, it will take you back to the full screen option, as one-handed mode is not allowed to be used like so. But if you have any other apps that you'd like to use, say for example, you want to message with someone, you can go ahead and open it and you can be able to use one-handed mode from there. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.